In the last episode, I mentioned that Ivan and Naomi had arrived at Tiger Bay, which in fact was incorrect. As a result of our flat battery episode, we actually arrived at Tiger Bay several days early, and so after charging the batteries at the hotel jetty, we spent a couple of days exploring the Ume River to the south of the hotel. By now, you will probably have gathered that on this particular adventure, fishing was disappointing, and so far, I have only showed you the 1 4-pound tiger that Kurt had caught, and there has been little action on that front, with the exception of small tigerfish not worthy of mention. Operating on the Ume in relatively close proximity to the hotel meant that we could have dinner at the hotel on several occasions, which proved most enjoyable and gave our girls a little break from having to prepare meals. I recall that one evening on our way back from the hotel, Kurt commented that the number of crocodiles in Kariba was an exaggeration, as to date we had not seen that many. After returning to the Moby, I recall taking our spotlight and shining it around the small bay we were anchored in, and to our surprise, identified 23 pairs of crocodile eyes along the shoreline, putting that speculation to bed once and for all. As the Ume River is located within the Matusadona National Park, the presence of wild animals is very likely, and here we stumbled upon this lone buffalo bull grazing on the bank of the river. He was totally relaxed and took little or no interest in our presence, despite the fact that we approached him to within a couple of feet. One can never tire of the beautiful sunsets here on Kariba, and a red sky at night is mostly a good omen for the weather on the following day. A red sky at night is a shepherd's delight.